When choosing fish for health, it's essential to consider factors such as sustainability and potential mercury content. Some larger predatory fish, such as shark, swordfish, king mackerel, and tilefish, tend to have higher levels of mercury and should be consumed in moderation, especially by pregnant women, nursing mothers, and young children. Additionally, it's advisable to include a variety of fish in your diet to ensure a diverse range of nutrients. If you have specific health concerns or dietary restrictions, consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance. Certainly. Here are a few more types of fish that are generally considered healthy choices. Tuna, especially albacore tuna, is a popular fish that provides a good source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various vitamins and minerals. Albacore tuna tends to have higher levels of omega-3s compared to other types of tuna. Cod. Cod is a lean, white fish that is low in fat and a good source of protein. It also contains some omega-3 fatty acids and provides important nutrients like vitamin B12 and iodine. Halibut. Halibut is a lean fish with a mild flavor. It's a good source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, and phosphorus. Tilapia. Tilapia is a mild-flavored, lean fish that is a good source of protein. While it doesn't provide as many omega-3s as fatty fish, it is still a healthy option. Rainbow smelt. Smelt is a small, oily fish that is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, and selenium. It's often found in freshwater and is a good alternative for those seeking smaller fish with less mercury. Arctic char. Similar to salmon, Arctic char is a fatty fish that provides omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. When selecting fish, consider factors such as freshness, sustainability, and the method of preparation. Grilling, baking, or steaming fish are generally healthier cooking methods compared to frying. It's also important to be aware of any local advisories regarding fish consumption, especially if you are catching fish from rivers or lakes, as they may contain contaminants. Remember, variety is key to a balanced diet, so try to include different types of fish in your meals to ensure a diverse range of nutrients. If you have specific health concerns or dietary goals, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice.